Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MATLAB class. So today I would like to post one video in the field of digital image processing. So before run this code, I would like to tell you something about my YouTube channel. So basically this channel is about MATLAB implementation of different projects in the field of digital image processing, in the field of video processing, in the field of audio processing, in the field of signal processing. So in this channel we are going to post different videos of the MATLAB implementation. Okay, so today I would like to post one more project video in the field of digital image compression. So to run this code, just click this button. It will open one graphical user interface. Okay, it will take few seconds to load. So today's project is JPEG 2000 image compression standard. Okay, so basically this graphical user interface consists of two modules. First is for compression and second is for decompression. Okay, now just select or just click this button to select image to image for compression. So I'm going to select this baboon image, baboon.bmp. Just click on open. Okay, so that image will displayed over this axis. So these are the various image parameters. The height of the image that I'm getting is equal to vital, the width is equal to vital, the size of the image in bytes is equal to 263224. This is the location of the image. It is stored in D drive. This is the bit depth of the image. It is equal to 8. It means that this image is a grayscale image and the format of the image is BMP. Okay, now you have to enter different input parameters. So first parameter that I'm having is equal to is compression rate. So I'm entering here 0.2. The decompression level I'm going to enter here is equal to 5. Now just click on compress. So it will take few seconds for compression, and we are having here two output parameters. First is compression ratio and second is total time elapsed in second. The compression ratio that I am getting here is equal to 39.97 and the total time required for compression is equal to 9.48 seconds. Now we are going for second module, that is decompression module. So just select or just click first button, that is load compressed data button, and just select this text file encoded data. Just click on open, and you have to enter here the decompression level that you entered at the compression side. The value that you have to enter is equal to 5 here. Now just click on decompress button. It will take few seconds for decompression, and these are the various output parameters in which it is PSR. Then we are having MSC. So I'm getting value of PSR is equal to 21.07. The value of MSC that I'm getting is equal to 413.328. The value of average difference that I am getting is equal to 0.0063. The value of structural content that I am getting is equal to 255, and the total time required for decompression is equal to 12.40. And we are having one more button, that is clear all. It will clear all the content of the decompression. And here we are having one more button, that is clear all. It will clear all the content of the compression button. Now we are going for second image with different compression rate. So just select Lena image, just click on open, and just take input parameter compression rate is equal to 0.4. Sorry, 0.4, and the decompression level that I'm going to enter is equal to 5. Now just click on compress button. These are the different input parameters. The height of the image is equal to 512. The width of the image is equal to 512. The size of the image is equal to 263222. This is the location of the image. Bit depth is equal to 8 and the format of the image is BMP. So we are getting compression ratio is equal to 19.99 and the total time required for compression is equal to 15.54 seconds. Now just go for decompression. Just select this file, just click on open and enter here the decomposition level. So I'm going to enter here 5. Now just click on decompress. So decompression process is going on. It will take few seconds for decompression. and it will show different output parameters. Okay, so just wait for few seconds. Okay, so this is my reconstructed image. The value of PSR that I'm getting is equal to 35.98. The value of average difference that I'm getting is equal to 0.010. The value of MSC that I'm getting is equal to 14.50. The value of structural content that I'm getting is equal to 7, and the total time required for decompression is equal to 15.99 seconds. Okay, you can save this reconstructed image by clicking this button, that is save reconstructed image button. Just click this button and save with any name. So I'm going to select it with the name recon.bmp. so just click on save. Just clear all the content of the decompression side as well as compression side, and just close this graphical user interface. So this is all about image compression with the help of JPEG 2000 image compression standard. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want such kind of more videos in the field of digital image processing, in the field of audio processing, in the field of video processing, then just go to my channel, like my all the videos, uh, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.